Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So friends, in this video we are going to solve about if your WhatsApp is crashing. So here is the solution. So first of all, we will go to Play Store. Let's click on Play Store, tap on it, search the app, update it if it is available. So WhatsApp update is not available here, so we will go back. Now let's go to phone settings. Tap on it. Tap on apps. Tap on app management. Find the app. Tap on force stop. Click on it. Tap on storage uses. Tap on clear cache. Tap on manage spaces. Go back. Switch off the phone. I mean to say restart the phone. And your problem is resolved. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.